Hey everyone, welcome to Module 3 of Seesaw for K through 5 teachers. In this module, we're going to look at customizing our Seesaw classes to really meet our needs as educators. And in that, we're going to look at approving student work and providing students feedback through the comments section of our Seesaw class. So here I am in my demo class, and what I have here is one piece of work that is pending approval. Before we go in and approve this work, I do want to take a look at some of the settings I set up for this particular class so that you guys kind of see why I'm leaving feedback the way I am. So I'm going to go ahead and click the wrench in the top right corner of the screen to bring up my class settings. And then I'm going to go down to the students section, and I want you to notice that the toggle switch for students can see each other's work is turned to off. I made the decision for this class that I want to use Seesaw as a way to collect work from students and see their thinking on an individual level, and I wanted to use it more for assessment than for collaboration. So I didn't want the kids to see each other's work. If I wanted to use this more as a collaborative tool and to give the students the opportunity to benefit from the insights of their peers, I would toggle this to on. That's really important for one of the next things we're going to look at. Now we're going to take a look at this sample student assignment that we have here. I'll go ahead and click on In Response To Assignment Name, and that will take me to that assignment. It will show me the instructions at the top. It'll let me know how many responses are awaiting my approval, and then down below it will let me click the individual responses. So once I review the instructions to remind myself what I'm looking for, I'll go and click on JP's work. I noticed that he outlined the rectangles in red, but then instead of outlining triangles, he outlined clouds that are more circular. So I want to go ahead and leave JP a comment by clicking on the comments button, and I am just going to leave him a quick question. Once I write that piece of feedback, I'm going to go ahead and click post. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump over to JP's student account so you can see where your kids will see that feedback. Now, over here in my student account, I want you to notice on the right-hand side of the screen, my inbox has a red 1 by it, meaning I have one notification. If I click on that, I see messages and notifications. And on notifications, we see that the teacher left a comment on my work. I can click on it, and it'll take me to that assignment. So I noticed the feedback was that I need to find the triangles instead of the ovals. So as a student, I'll go ahead and hit these 3 dots at the bottom right corner of the screen and edit the item. Now I can go in and make the necessary adjustments, hit the check mark to resubmit it to my teacher. Now we'll jump back into the teacher account. Now that I showed you how our students can review the comments that we leave them, I'm back here in my teacher account, and if JP made those changes, I can go ahead and hit approve so that we can show this in the journal for himself and his family.